We just got down from a flight not too long ago, so it's a perfect opportunity to check the oil level. To do so on the PC-12 is really, really easy. Just come up to the forward cowling, 2 quick snaps, and up she goes. Little stand here slides into its spot to keep us open. So as you can see here, quick little sight gauge on the side of the engine, and the oil level is just below the add 1 line. So even though I'm only a pilot, I know that I have to add 1 quart there. So to do that, I'm just going to grab a ladder here. I have my can of oil, my funnel. So first we just have to remove the cannon plug from the dipstick. Just set that aside. The dipstick here, you just rotate the collar. The dipstick pops out like that. Now I'm just going to grab my rag. Slide the dipstick out. Make sure it's secure. Go. Funnel in the hole. And just dump the oil in. And you can see right on the sight gauge the oil level going up as I'm pouring. Funnel comes out. Dipstick goes back in. Now the dipstick has a feature so that you know that it's locked in properly. As I push this down, the collar is going to lock. You hear that snap and the 2 green lines line up, you know that dipstick is now secure. Take your cannon plug, place it on top, and just click it down until it stops. And that's it. Just add a quart of oil on a PC